Three-phase imbalance, voltage imbalance is something that is not checked by a lot of technicians. Typically, residential technicians are not used to three-phase. So on the commercial side, they know what an imbalance is, and it can be an issue. Um, on our voltage on a three-phase unit, we know that we don't want to go any higher than 10% above the rated voltage of the unit, and no more than 5% on the below the rated voltage. It used to be 10 and 10, but since we've started going with electronics, you'll see that more and more of the manufacturers have gone to 10 above and 5 below. What we're going to talk about here today is just the imbalance between phases. So you are not allowed to, there's a limit on your imbalance between phases. So let's plug in a few numbers. Let's say that we've measured across L1 and L2, we measured 237 volts. Across L2 and L3, let's say 228, and across L1 and L3, let's say 233. Now, right there at the very bottom, you're going to see you got an imbalance between these phases of 2.01%. Now, when you start hitting about 2.5%, that should be an alert that the imbalance is starting to get high between those phases, and you should be getting a electrical company involved to see about getting the phases rebalanced again. Now, the other thing is, if you have root equipment that you're dealing with, and some of the other manufacturers are set there as well, they have set a 3% as a maximum voltage imbalance between phases. So if you started seeing 3%, it's time to shut that system down before you start doing damage. This is going to come into play when you start having some motors heat up and stop for some unknown reason. You're not sure what's going on. Check the voltage imbalance between the phases and see what comes up with. Hope this helps.